Yo, it's All-Star Weekend coming up, man. It's your boy. Live from All-Star Weekend 2023 in Salt Lake City. I'm taking all of y'all jobs, man. Yes, sir. I'm here to declare that my spin move is actually a swirl. I'm lovely. Yeah, we out here. You know, your boy had to stop by and get a Shaq and swirl. McFlurry. Get it. Hello. How you doing? Hello. Hello. Hi, everyone. What do you want? You want ice cream?
Are you ready to go to Utah?
I'm here to Utah. And Shaq and swirl on deck. Time to go. All-Star Weekend. Super excited. Can't wait to get there. And yeah, that's good. Let's play.
The best basketball players in the NBA will hit the court for the annual All-Star game. It seems he's not the only All-Star with ties to Africa. The Raptors' Pascal Siakam.
Of the year, Yak. That boy was hooping. I mean, you got D right here. You see. What is he doing? He got Corday. Looks like he can't play. Hey, you gotta show out, yo. Oh, screen. Oh, Boozer, come on, hit that. Hit that, bro. You got Sibo out there. Scotty gonna be arguing with the refs today. That boy hit. That boy want every call, man. Oh, Scotty, get the ball, man. Yo, Scotty! Look at this guy. Man, come on, do something, man. Come on, Scotty. Oh. Hey! Yeah! Yeah, boy! Get up, boy! You got an original.
Let me tell you something, Reggie. If I see anything like that, I'm going to talk to my lawyer and I'm going to retire.
Hey man, we out here All-Star Weekend.
What's up? Talk to the people.
I don't know what to say.
Take a little quick. Some light. Oh yeah, okay. 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 All right, all right.
Don't feel a little proud of her.
My bad. All right, some light,
Get us
some
my
light.
mama because I'm proud of her. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
back everything I said. He ain't got no miles on them legs, man. That shit unfair, dog. You saying? The rest of these boys done played 60 games already, man.
You're right. Hey, that's just the first dunk. What is going on, bro? You gonna bite it out there? Oh, come on, bro. Nah.
That's weak. I can do that shit with a trampoline.
No, you can't, nigga.
I can do that shit. That's weak. That's weak.
Tell him. Third dunk gotta jump through the hoop. He always put his arm in his thing, gotta jump through that motherfucker. He real, man. Hey, if you say that, I believe it.
Bro, he's gone.
He different.
What up, bro?
Say hi to the camera, man.
Hey, the white boy got it Black History Month, man. It's a damn shame. He deserved it, though.
Yeah, he went crazy. Come on, man. Hey, you tough, bro. You tough, man. You tough. That's tough. Yo, All-Star Weekend. Dunk contest. Was fun, epic. Had some fun, met a lot of cool people, got some good reactions, good footage. Make sure you enjoy it. And shout out Mac, Trey, all of them, man. They went crazy, the dunks was crazy. And I enjoy every minute of it. Yo, yeah, you know your boy's ready. All-Star game, got a fit on, of course. Went with a little, you know, off-white vibes. Obviously we gotta have the chain, you know what it is. Beanie, you know, just a little something, nothing crazy. We got mountains, Utah, yes sir. And then of course, gotta come out with some fresh kicks. And y'all know the vibe, so yes sir, it's time, let's get it. What's up, man? We got a whole crew right here. What's up, Josh? It's time. Yes sir, we're in the locker room. Everybody here, man. All-Star Weekend a little different, man. Around this time, you feel me? I like that.
You like that ring?
Yeah, don't mind adding rings to the collection, man. You know what I'm saying? Every time you can get a ring, always good. All right, Red Bull there on deck. You feel me? Yes, sir. Don't feel me, I got you too. You know what I'm saying? On the way to presentations. Oh shit, damn, bro. You got big ass feet. Oh shit.
I'll be 6'6".
No, you're not going no more, bro. Stop it. Oh damn, we got them Diesel in the building. Damn. That's tough.
Okay, I see you.
Yes sir, you see all the All-Stars right there. The whole game.
Champion making his second All-Star appearance from the Toronto Raptors, Pascal
Shaquem.
This halftime is gonna be fire. Coming to the stage, we've got the young King Rema, we've got the beautiful Queen Thames, and to start us off, give it up for my boy, Burna Boy. Let's go. I don't want nobody to live by my side. We're going crazy on this one. Done, to be honest. We got that dub though. They just
Yep, NBA All-Star, it's a wrap. We out of here, have some fun, enjoy some time, and yeah. It's time to go on vacation.